Modern CNC operations generate massive data streams. Our platform integrates MQTT data, telemetry info, OPCUA process variables, and SAP work orders through IRIS Foundry, which contextualizes the data and applies FMEA-trained ML models built in IRIS's ML Studio. The result? Predictive maintenance that actually works. Here's the system in action. Full fleet visibility with comprehensive component-level monitoring. Our risk-scoring algorithm processes torque, current, temperature, backlash, and vibration against FMEA failure modes. Multiple machines are currently flagged, each showing multi-factor degradation patterns that indicate potential failure risk. IRIS prioritizes interventions by failure risk and production impact. This main spindle shows classic FMEA failure mode progression: excessive bearing wear, thermal drift, current draw deviation, and backlash degradation. The ML model, trained on historical failure data and FMEA knowledge, projects high-confidence failure predictions within the maintenance window. Component-level analysis also reveals the diagnostic depth. Servo drift across multiple axes show progressive positioning errors. Backlash growth tracks bidirectional deviation and repeatability loss. Statistical process controls flag significant baseline deviations across multiple parameters. The forecast shows exponential health degradation if maintenance is deferred. With the AI Copilot, operators use natural language to access IRIS's full analytics engine and Industrial LLM. The Copilot surfaces prioritized maintenance actions based on real-time risk and operational context. From there, operators can immediately take action, such as asking the Copilot to create a maintenance work order for Grinder 49's main spindle failure and assign it to John. The AI generates a complete, ready-to-execute work order in seconds, ensuring issues move directly from insight to resolution. IRIS accelerates maintenance response with intelligent alerting that catches issues before they become failures. When a critical event is detected, the platform automatically generates the appropriate work order in SAP, complete with component details, failure context, and recommended actions. With SymphonyAI, reduce maintenance costs and eliminate unplanned downtime through AI-driven CNC intelligence.